finish it.
Grandma.
Ooh.
Oh!
Yeah, they can see our faces. I can't close my mouth like that.
Oh no! You're holding it open. How are you gonna close it? Okay.
Was that Drew? You know what's funny? Hey, I don't want fake blood on me!
No! You know it's funny?
Come sit down. Come sit down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that looks really bad. Are you okay?
I'm gonna leave it in and see what it says. Just leave it there.
Shit.
Just leave it.
She punched stuff. Just kidding.
You're like, she pissed me off so bad I punched the fucking wall.
Sorry.
Stop it. Okay.
Don't get you, Grandma. Don't you get
Son! Give me some Coke!
Why did you say get me some cups? Boy meets girl. Girl should be taken down. Okay.
What is this? Is this a video?
Mm-hmm.